God, I look like a child. Alright, it's a quick little video. I blew out my exhaust. So this doesn't make any sense. I'm confused on this. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. There's no rust on my exhaust or anything. Here's what I'm doing here. There's no rust, and there's a hole, like a legit hole. Let me get the camera back there well enough. Legit hole back here. So it looks like it blew out. Like that is raised up right there around the piping. So it looks like it blew out. I don't know if you can't really see it, but if you can tell my exhaust, there's not rust anywhere, and there's a random ass hole just chilling right here. So I don't understand that. It's a 5-inch diamond eye exhaust going down my back, but I don't understand how I blew it out. Like, it's blown out. I wish you could. You can't really see it with this lens I have on here. You can see it kind of sticking up right there. Don't mind my no tread. Been quite a few burnouts. Trying to get rid of these tires. I hate them. You can see that right there. See how it blew? It's like blown out. So if someone could just explain to me how the fuck I blew my exhaust out, I don't understand how it makes any sense. I don't know. I'm confused. Yeah, and another thing is, I know a lot of you guys are bitching about dirt bikes and stuff and whatever. I'll probably get another one this year. It's just last year I was working too much. I didn't really care about them. Like, whatever. I didn't have time. This year I could probably get away with going over a couple weekends, but I'm picking up that 350Z because, not for YouTube, because I want a car to go down Woodward and hang out with my buddies that have cars. Like, it's a beautiful truck, don't get me wrong, but it's not a car. You know, I'm driving this truck all day, running around with it, work all day, driving like shit. Like, it's not driving like shit, but I'm driving in a truck all day, you know. So I want something that's not a truck. I know it sounds pretty crazy considering this is a beautiful truck and everything, but I don't know, my life, I guess, right? My decision, huh? But work vlogs should be coming soon here. When we get back to work, I'm making some killer ass vlogs. I do work vlogs, like a big one I want to do this year, because nobody, I mean literally nobody on YouTube is going to make videos like I'm going to make. Like, literally not a single person. I've found, at least, that's my age. Maybe like 50-year-olds, but I think it's cool. I mean, no one really records doing construction. I think it's a very neat thing to do. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I know it was short, it's a little random video. Try to put more videos out there, just the content. I don't know what the hell I can make videos about, really. So if you guys have any ideas, comment them down, please. It can help me out a lot. I want to start getting into truck reviews, car reviews, and stuff like that, but you know, that's like a issue-washy kind of subject. But anyways, if you guys can figure out or tell me why my exhaust blew out in the way back, the rear end of the truck where the tips are at, like right before the tips, that doesn't make any, to me that doesn't make any sense, because I would think that the pressure from this engine would blow out, like, you know, mid-frame of the vehicle, mid-pipe, you know what I mean, not way at the end where I feel like it's all, I don't know, maybe I'm retarded, maybe I just don't understand how this truck works. I think I know how diesels work though, but I don't know. I didn't think that pressure of that much from this engine could blow out some steel like that. That's pretty crazy to me. Steel was not rusted or anything, so it's a diamond eye exhaust, and it's not saying it was steel, but it's not shitty either. Like, people use this exhaust. It's not an eBay special random ass, you know, whatever. But anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Give me your feedback on all the subjects I listed. So. You make me